Hey guys, welcome back to Buddy Time. And today we're going to be talking about something a lot of people have. And as you see in the picture you see right now, it's dogs. Yeah. Today we're going to be talking about my dog, Rosie. Yes. She's Rosie is a dog we got a while ago, and she's sort of tannish, bright tan-ish, and she's a mix of a Chihuahua and something else. She is really good at obeying commands like come or follow, say her name. And she also is really addicted to this door. Well, this room, really. That's because Caitlin is there. And Caitlin is basically her favorite person in the world. Look, she really obeys commands like come. So, look. Rosie, come here. Come here, Rosie. Rosie. You should have run away. And something she's really good at is licking your hand. She will lick your hand for the life of you. And then eventually she just walks away. Goes back to exactly what she was doing 5 seconds ago. So, Rosie, we got her at PetSmart, sort of obviously, and her name was Rosie at PetSmart. We didn't have any names, so we just kept it at Rosie. Rosie came with her own collar that said her name and where she came from. Of course, we didn't want that one, so we kept the where it shows her name and where she came from, and we got a new bone one that shows who she is, when she was born, and where she came from again. She is really, really irritating sometimes. What I mean by that is that whenever the door opens, or it gets knocked on, or if she sees somebody out that window, she's bound to bark like crazy. Which is why she has that bark collar. Wait, Rosie. I will show you if she stops moving. There, look. See the giant bone? That's her bark collar. Yeah, that black thing around her neck. Something else about her that's pretty annoying or weird is the fact that she whines always. You can probably hear her whining right now, chances are. And trust me, like I said earlier, she'd do anything to get into that room. Anything, isn't that right, Rosie? Anything. So I'm sorry if this video is gonna be a little shorter than my other ones, but Rosie is not a very good subject to explain, but it's still good. Still a good subject. So, originally, this is our third dog that we got. The first one died of cancer. The second one was, we had to get rid of her because we were moving. But then we got this one because, well, we're in our new house. Like my first video explained that my house. And this one specifically It's probably the best dog ever. So, in almost conclusion, I told you this video was gonna be really short. Rosie is a pretty cool dog. And if you're wondering, the first dog's name was Annie and the second dog's name was Pepper. No, not like salt and pepper. Pepper. With an I. P-E-I-P-P-E-R. I know. That I is sort of silent and doesn't have a use. So, that's basically a rundown of all the things about Rosie, and if you enjoyed that video, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Let's see if we can get 100 likes.
Hi, Rose.
So, bye.
Oh, hello.
This is Caitlin. Yeah, see, you can already tell. So, bye.